Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad and I am talking to you from the platform of Young Economist Initiation. We believe that knowledge is not knowledge until it spreads. So today I'm going to tell you how to estimate the OLS in Eviews. So first of all, you have the dataset. I have my dataset in my Excel sheet, and just copy it from the Excel and then open the Eviews and paste it. Just paste as a new workfile. It is automatically pasted in your Eviews. Click next and then finish. Wait a minute, there is a problem in my data. So just comment. We just copy it, open the views, paste as a new workfile, then next. Now it is okay. There is some problem in my data. First time that when I am not copy it very well, so click it finish. Now here is data. Here is my dependent variable is GDP, independent variable are dependency ratio and the inventory. Here is we didn't need of years, but when you directly copy it from the Eviews, it automatically be making as a variable. It's depend upon you, either you delete it or not. It doesn't affect your results. So now we move toward how to estimate OLS. Click on quick, then move toward estimate equations. Here you write your model and first select which technique you wanna use here. There are a lot of techniques. Here we is concerned with the least square. The OLS means ordinary least square, so we click it and write your model it as here, just as dependent variable, constant and independent variable. So we write it here. GDP is our dependent variable, C, which shows that the constant, and dependency ratio, our independent variable, and inventory, which is our last independent variable. So after that we just click it, but before click it, okay, I just share one more thing here. It is that the example, not a perfectly analysis. Might be results are significant or not. That I have many more problems we discuss in the near future, but now we just consult with the OLS method, and just now we click it as okay. Now our results are come. Here the coefficients, which shows the how much change in the independent variable leads to change in dependent variable. But there must be a significant probability value. If you have a significant probability value, then you check the relationship between that. The matter is that if the probability values are significant, which means that p values must be less than 0.05. Most of us know that our null hypothesis is any variable which is non-significant, and then alternative hypothesis is variable is significant. If the p value is less than 0.05, then we reject h0, which means that our independent variable is significant, and it has a significant impact on the dependent variable. So here unfortunately both of our variables are not significant. So we are able to say that our variables, our independent variables, doesn't have any effect on the GDP. But here our mind arises a question. Dependency ratio and the inventory must be affect the GDP. But here might be a problem of stationarity. OLS use on that data which is stationary at first level. Here I can share one more thing about the OLS. Now read it carefully. We apply the OLS when our all variables are stationary at level. Stationary at level. Might be our data are not stationary because we cannot check that. Our concern is just to analyze, just to check that how to estimate the OLS. We just estimate that. And two conditions which we discuss here is that the one is the stationary at level and there is no problem of endogeneity. Then we are used to able OLS, and then our OLS results are not spurious. They have significant impact on the variables. So now come to the data. Here we have non-significant independent variables. Our R-square value is too low, which shows that the model significancy. Our R-square shows the goodness of fit, which is too low. Here is a 4.7%, which indicate that our model is not good fitted. When we want to see the overall significance of data, then we move toward the f-stat. Here is the p-value of f-stat is greater than 0.05. So we can able to say that our data or our model is not overall significant. So here is the problem in data. I think all of you get some knowledge from me in my presentation here. Hope we will share our knowledge with you in a near future. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.